Welcome guys. Outlook app is crashing, so here is the quick fix. First of all, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can also check your internet from Google by internet speed check. Go to Google and type fast.com and you will hear, and you will also check your internet. After that, clear the cache and data of Microsoft Outlook. So for this, long press on it and tap on app info. Go to storage usage, clear the cache and also clear the data. This will log you out from Outlook account, so you will need to log in again. So after that, update Outlook app from Play Store. If you have update button option, then update it from here. If it's still not working, then uninstall it completely and reinstall it again. So this will fix the issue. After reinstalling, restart your phone and your problem will be fixed.